that windstorm might already be here. Whoosh! Whoosh!
Yes! We did it! Now let's secure the base with the cement before the wind...
Whoosh!
Oh no! The wind tipped over the sculpture!
It's a runaway apple!
Follow that fruit!
If I don't beat that red delicious to the middle of the city, it's gonna turn our city hall into applesauce. That apple's not following the proper rules of the road.
The only laws it follows are Newton's laws of motion. Watch out, Mason James! Now that apple's chasing you!
Whoa! Gotta go faster!
That gives me an idea. Is that big construction site still next to City Hall?
We could build a wall to stop the apple, but there isn't time.
But there is a super powerful mega crane. If we can time it right, we can turn the rolling apple into a flying apple.
That's the craziest idea I've ever heard. I'm in.
It's gonna take perfect time. Oh no! The wind is picking up and making the sculpture roll even faster.
No time to waste. Can somebody help me out with the faster entrance?
How about if this wall becomes a ramp?
Whoosh! Amazing! Heading up to the mega crane. Where's that apple?
It just to the left onto Main Street at 5th Avenue.
I'm in the mega crane. Let me know exactly when the apple gets to the construction center.
3rd Avenue. 2nd Avenue. 1st Avenue. Go!
Got it!
It worked! Yes! Hey, that kind of looks like a balloon on a string.
Check this out. I think I'm starting to figure out this gravity thing. Clear the streets, everyone! Object in motion coming at you.
Got it. Now it's an object at rest. Let's get that cement mixer in here and make sure it stays an object at rest.
I'm on it, sis. As easy as apple pie.
Thanks, bro. I'd say that adventure was very fruitful.
It was awesome to the core.
Mason, look! The apple sculpture is defying gravity!
What can I say? All the action made me hungry for this yummy sculpture.